made by the ACME Corporation?
It's not your fault. There's probably someone to blame.
The name of the case is Coyote versus ACME.
Wile E. Coyote. He is reckless. We all know who's responsible, and all of his injuries are self-inflicted.
You've been settling ACME cases for years.
I could probably get you $250 for that.
This is your opportunity to really show people what you're capable of.
These companies think they can do whatever they want. We're sick of it.
ACME, hack you!
Nothing to see here.
We really have nothing.
We both know it would be very unpleasant if anything bigger were to become public.
What is up, Doc?
The ACME Corporation is releasing this film for account purposes only. We do not condone any of the storylines depicted.